Definition of prayer. Prayer is communicating with God. It takes different forms, but basically it occurs when man talks with God and God talks with man. If you want God to always help you, you should carefully listen to this message from God. If you don't do this, God won't be able to assist you. So listen to the full message. Dear Lord, bond our family together in unity and oneness. Heavenly Father, help us to make every effort to live at peace with those in our families, our churches, and in our communities. You have set us apart as royal, blessed, good, and a chosen people to live holy lives for your glory and honor. May we live together in peace and praise you with our life today. Type Amen if you believe in God. Subscribe for more prayers.